So in this video, I'm going to test the lace closure, lace frontal for all the customers to show them how it can be curved and straightened. Come here. Here, we make this wig. This is the frontal wig we make. In front of the wig is a lace frontal, and at the back side is bundles. This, check it. These are the bundles we sold on the wig cap, and in the front is the lace frontal. This one, this part is the lace frontal. I'm going to test how it is curved and can be straightened as well. So I already cut it, so in this way I'm going to show you this one. Do you know why I do this part in the video? Because in this pandemic period around the world, this hair business is really affected by the coronavirus around the world. So a lot of vendors, they collected that material. So I'm teaching all my clients and friends that's how to test the lace closure, lace frontal. So this can be curved. When you're curling the hair, no smell, it's just natural. It's just natural hair smell. No bad chemical. No bad chemical. So you need to test this part one. And when you are curling this hair, to make sure the lace closure, lace frontal is not melted. To make sure the lace closure, lace frontal is not melted. Like I told you in the previous video, it's very hard to make the lace closure, lace frontal. So some people will try to take chance in this time. So I'm showing you. Also, some customers ask me to curl the hair in the video. Okay, it's just 1 minute. I didn't count, maybe 1 minute. So you see this one. This is the hair I curl. This one. See this one. And actually, you have you can bring the hair to the salon. They have a machine they have a machine and oil, the curl oil, to hold the curl perfectly. This is the hair curl. This one I just show you one more time. So you make sure the hair is not melted. It's very clean. It's not clean. So this one, one more time. This one. And later we straighten the hair for you. So it's 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Because I didn't put some cream on the hair. If I put some cream on the hair to curl it, it would be more perfect. This one. It's just natural hair. The smell is just natural hair. So now every piece we receive, every piece of lace closure, lace frontal we receive, we must test the hair before we shipping out the hair. Because we know how the situation is around the world now. And some people try to take this chance to make money. So we want to make sure our clients' business are safe for them. This one, you see? This is the hair I curl. This one. This. So I will use the straighten. This way. this. Let me straighten the hair for you.
没意了。
You see, the heat is very high. Normally, the highest heats we use is 220, and some of my American customers they use 300. I am very shocked. 220 is good enough. You see, it's straight enough. It's very temperature is very high. 220 is enough to straighten the hair. Look. So you see, it's not melted. It's very clean to make sure there are no fibers inside the hair. This is very. You see, I hit up the hairs. This one. So one more time for you. Ooh. 220, the temperature. Look. So the end is still very healthy. You see the end is still very healthy. It's not melted, it's still very healthy. This hair is very healthy hair, this one. So this, okay, I already show you this. So I will just keep straightening the hair, make it this one. Let me tell you again why I do this part in the video. I'm trying to test the lace crochet and lace frontal for all the clients because I know in these times it's not easy for their business. They need the lace crochet, lace frontal. So I want to guarantee them they receive the hair without any fibers inside because I know how people make business in this hair industry. It's not easy to make the lace crochet, lace frontal in China now. And sometimes when we put the material to the workers in the village, if you don't put your eyes on their work, so sometimes they didn't work very well. So I just keep straightening. I will keep straightening the hair. This is the bob wig. This one. This. And let you come here. I'll show you the 5x5 lace. So this is the natural wave. This natural wave 5x5. This one. You see my skin color. It can match very well, very perfect. This one. This is a natural wave. This is the Italian curve. Natural wave, Italian curve. This one. They're different. So straight. This is the deep wave curve. This one. Of course, we can make kinky curly if you want. This is the deep wave curve. We can make more texture if you want. It's body wave. And this is a loose tip. Loose tip. I will compare the difference. This one is the loose tip. This one is the Italian curve. Loose tip, Italian curve. This one. And you can see the difference. Also comparing this one. This is the loose tip, natural wave. This natural wave, loose tip. This one. So we are making 13x4 lace frontal. More texture. Just wait like 2 weeks. 2 weeks. I know the selling season is coming out, so don't hesitate to contact us to get a crochet frontal. But like I told you, now we're just trying to train the workers to make the knot as small as possible. So you listen carefully. We're just trying to train the workers to make a knot on the lace as small as possible. Sometimes it's smaller, sometimes it's bigger. So I hope some customers, they can understand the situation around the world now. If you are the new clients, you go back to watch the previous videos that we explain on YouTube before you purchase any hair. If you are not sure anything, you contact us after us before you order any hair to avoid any issues. So this business will be good for both of us because we don't want to argue to each other, hate you. Sometimes some clients, they order the hair on the website and they are thinking maybe they are getting hair like the video one. So we are on different page. Well, you are on page A and the video one was on page B, so we're different page. So make sure we're on the same page. If you are not sure about the hair, you need to contact us before ordering. So thank you very much for watching this video.